Emakhosini bogogo nabomkhulu, welcome back to my channel. Usahleli nogogo Patricia. So today bantwana bethongo ngizokhuluma ngamaphupho achazayo ukuthi hayibo kukhona okuthize ofanele ukiyenze ngoba akusahambi ngendlela. A lot of us sinalento lena yokuthi kodwa abantu abadala, why did you allow ukuthi bangishaye ngesichitho, noma why did you allow ukuthi bangidlise? And when you look back, you like bakhulumile kodwa because of you don't understand amaphupho osukunawo ngaleso sikhathi, then you miss i-message noma umlayezo otholayo, right? So kunamaphupho abantu abadala abawalethayo where they are letting you ukuthi qaphela, you need to do something, because ukhumbula ukunqola kwakho wena njengomuntu umsamo ophilayo. So makunqole wena kusho ukuthi kusuke kunqole idlozi lakho, idlozi usuke wena uhamba nalo. Umuntu uye athi wegogo mina ngaphupha, for instance ngaphupha ngingene etoilet. Mawuphupha uye etoilet kusho isichitho, noma waphupha yona itoilet kusho isichitho, noma waphupha ubona amakaka, isichitho leso ebakubonisa sona ukuthi sekunqulile, right? And isichitho does not need ukuthi umuntu abe physically there to alahlele isichitho. Abantu sibayalahlela isichitho ngamafoni, ngezithombe, ngama-phone calls. Abantu bayalahlela isichitho ngokuthi akuthinte, nokuthi agande ejardini lakho, ngokuthi awazi igama lakho nesibongo sakho. They can do that. And apparently isichitho, or unfortunately isichitho, a lot of women are affected by isichitho because uye uzwane nomuntu ungazi ukuthi umuntu unomuntu, hayi umuntu wakhe, or noma kutshela ukuthi uhlukene nomuntu wakhe kanti akahlukananga nomuntu wakhe, noma bahlukene bese lo muntu athi cha ngizomkhomba. Kunezichitho ezingena ngokweqansi wena uyahamba uyombathana nomuntu wakho kanti ulo wenzile ukuthi mawuzombathana naye uzobona wena. So there's a lot, right? Then kuye kube namanye amaphupho abonisa ukuthi hayi wena uyagadlwa, akusase isichitho lesi, maybe idliso. Idliso ungadliswa lona ngokuthi umuntu afike akuthelele kona ekudleni kwakho, then wena udle ungazi. And idliso, guys, it's a slow poison. Yabo, idliso into ekudla kancane ayiveli yonke ngaleso sikhathi. It takes years. Ingakudla ikudla la iseqede khona. And isidliso once wathatha isikhathi ukuthi usilungise noma usikhiphe, siyahlala siyazinza egazini lakho, right? Ngokunye isikhathi uye uphupha udliswa wena udla ephupheni ukudla okumnandi, and ave sidliswa ukudla okumnandi, child, because if uyafika ungipha into engayithandi angeke ngidle, ngizoba like angikufuni. So umuntu usuka kuphe ukudla okuthanda ngenhliziyo yakho yonke, azi ukuthi lokhu you will never resist, bese ukudle, right? Ukudle lokho kudla. Then you must make sure bantu abadala ukuthi masudlile, mawuvuka, do something about that. Mawuvuka, even before you greet anyone, before ukhulumisa umuntu, before uthi good morning, umchamo wakho wokuqala ekseni uphuza wona, unfortunately mubi. Mangabe omunye umuntu uthi hayi gogo mina ngiyakhohlwa amaphupho, so ngisuke ngabulisa abantu bese boof around 10 o'clock ekseni ngiyakhumbula ukuthi hayi mani ngiphuphe ngidla, it's still fine. You need ukuthi ugabe, uphalaze, ukukhiphe lokho, ugabe amalanga awu3 alandelanayo. This is what you need to do in order for wena ukuthi ukhiphe ledliso lingahlali kuwena, because idliso abanye abantu unokuzwa esiswini sakhe kushisa, noma omunye unokuzwa ngathi kunento emumela, sekuyidliso lelo, ukwazi ukuphefumula. You understand? Kuyichitho udinekelwa abantu, wena masokhuluma nomuntu wakho noma masokhuluma with your boyfriend akusekho mnandi, niyaqabana, anithelelana amanzi, uyamnyanya, kwesinye isikhathi uyamkhumbula makangekho, you like babe ngiyakukhumbula, maseka la kuyadineka. Wena emsebenzini awuthandwa, unalento man unesinyama. Even nanoma singathi as girls we like, okay guys, let's go out and have fun. Wena mawufikile nje unaleyo nto nje ukuthi awuthandeki. Guys, isichitho it's not nice, nedliso it's not nice. And those are things that ezenza ukuthi abantu abadala bachele ngoba usuke sowungcolile ngaleso sikhathi. So if you know ukuthi wena wadliswa noma uyadla ephupheni, right? If you are spiritually, inclined to a point ukuthi lonke iphupho oluphuphayo, irregardless of ukuthi iphupho, you are still consciously and mentally aware of what is happening. You understand? Ufana na mina mangiphupha, I'm aware what's going on and I can be like kodwa why ngidle ephupheni. You understand? So even if it's iphupho, kodwa my conscience, it's very clear, my conscience is very woke. So if umuntu ongekho njalo, unfortunately there has to be things that you now and then constantly have to do, right? Omunye uzophupha ungene eshaweni wena, ungene eshaweni, you taking a shower, abantu bakho bayakubonisa ukuthi no ufanele uyogeza, kunento engcolile la eyenzakalayo esingayidingi esingqolisayo thina singabantu abadala. Hence ngihlale ngisho kwabantu ukuthi stop eating into eningazazi, right? Mawuye emqimbini, especially if you are spiritually gifted, mawuye emqimbini, don't accept food on the silver platter. If wena umuntu onabantu abadala nkosami, wena ugobela, wena uyinini nehamba imigidi, don't allow ukuthi to be served and people be like naku kudla idla. No, stand up, be like ngizoya nami ngiyosiphakela noma ngizoya elayinini, kodwa ukudla okuza kunegama ave ku dangerous. Wena mawugobela wena uyamenya ukuthi no sinomsebenzi uzosebenza la endlini, uzolala amalanga awu3 na9. Child, charge for ama takeaway. Ungadli. Kwesinye isikhathi awudliswa yilo muntu oye kuye, kodwa isimemezelo sesiphumile ukuthi hayibo inyanga kaSibanibani umthandazeli ubanibani uyeza, right? Then ukhona lo ofile ukuthi wena uyabadisturba kulomuzi, angeke basakwazi ukuthi basebenze right, wena uzokhipha imfihlo zabo. So the next best thing for them to do is what? Bakususe endleleni, bakugadle nje, right? And it's not nice, guys. Akukho mnandi ukugaba, akukho mnandi ukuphalaza. It's not nice. That thing, it's very painful, I don't wanna lie. Yabona, if there's one thing engayicela nje ngathi bantu abadala konke ngingakuyenza nkosami, ngingangena empophomeni amanzi asuke entabeni le, kodwa ukuphalaza ave kunzima. You understand? So, and be a person who cleans, even if ungadliswanga, even if ungashawanga ngesichitho, be a person who normally uvomita, ngoba awazi ukuthi udleni, awazi ukuthi ushawe ngani, awazi ukuthi uficeni. You understand? And nanoma uphalaza shintsha izinto ngoba abantu bayazi ukuthi okay lo ngathi ufutha ngathi uphalaza ngento kanje, awuke yabo sesiyazi lona masimshaye ngesichitho ugeza ngaloko. No, shintsha izinto. Kumnandi nje kukuhle namhlanje nje on a normal day, just decide ukuthi hayibo namhlanje ngiyageza, hayibo namhlanje ngiyafutha, hayibo namhlanje ngiyaphalaza. We understand? So I would speak to you in that way because I assume ukuthi a lot of people who watch my videos are people who are spiritually gifted. So ma umntana wabantu abadala, make sure guys that you are clean. Uyabo, ngoba kwesinye isikhathi amaphupho awasethi ngoba wena ugcwele ngeichitho, wena ugcwele ngeidliso, your chakras, your throat chakras, amaphupho awasekho clear because of why kunzima kugqwele la emzimbeni. You need to detox, you need to take everything out. You understand? So that abantu bakho bazokwazi ukuthi bahlale egazini, banethiseke nje kube mnandi kube kuhle. So if guys ninemibuzo, or if guys uke wadliswa wena noma ukakaze wadliswa noma nkosami washawa ngesichitho nkosi yami, ngoba siyashawa guys, sishawa singathathanga amadoda wabantu, sishaya singayenzanga lutho nje, abantu babhizi. Unfortunately impilo sisempini, kodwa masihlaleni sihlome ihlomo zikamoya, izikhali zikamoya, sihlale silwa lempi, sihlale sithemba ukuthi abantu abadala bahamba nathi, banathi, babona nala thina singaboneleli khona. I know it's not easy, kodwa kuzolunga abantwana bethonga. Thokozani, makhosi, Lesedi, Khanya, Qhamakundawuwe.